every time we get a sale for this term or a similar term, maybe with a space, maybe with an apostrophe, plural, a different variation of this term, Amazon is going to test us out and give us more views on their website. They're going to try us out for a lot of different keywords to see what the customer is looking for. You can see over here 273, then we went to 253, then we went to 210. Now we're in the hundreds. What's going on is if you take a close look, you'll see there's a lot of spikes up and down, like it's just moving every hour on the hour. It's fluctuating, and Amazon is trying to find out what level it belongs on. They're trying to find out, should we be on the 10th page? Should we be on the 5th page? The 1st page? Where should we be? Which area? Well, hopefully every week, actually, you're going to start to see that, first it's in the 200s, then it's in the 100s, now it's in the 60, 50, 40. It's on a new level, and it's still fluctuating up and down, and there's drops. Like you can see over here, we hit the 9th spot a few days ago, and then we hit the 25th spot. So we're not going in the wrong direction. We're going in the right direction. These fluctuations are just natural and part of Amazon. This is how Amazon works.